Prudential Retirement Planner Honest review. Watch before using. Prudential Financial offer a suite of retirement planning service, including a retirement income calculator and a personalized financial planning through its adversaries, Proscore Securities, which is the LLC. These services are designed to help individuals plan for retirement by assessing information or assessing income needs, investment strategies, and potential risk. And here are the key features about this platform which makes it stand out compared to others. One of these key features is the retirement income calculator, personalized financial planning together with the investment option, which help you access a range. We give you access to a range of investment products, including the mutual fund, amenities, and managed accounts. And talking about the pros and cons of this platform, it is good to understand the good side and the bad side of a particular retirement planner before you decide to dive into it. So talking about the good side, comes a comprehensive tools with a wide range of service and an established reputation. And talking about the downside, which is the bad side of this, which is a non-fiduciary advisor and a fee transparency. Some users have reported a lack of clarity regarding fees, including a WAP fees and account maintenance charge ranging from $125 to $160 annually. And also mixed fund performance. A review of potential pension fund indicated that a significant number underperformed compared to sector peer over 1, 2, 3, and 5 years period. And here's a very conclusion. Prudential Retirement Planner offer a range of tools and services suitable for individuals seeking comprehensive retirement planning on a established institution. However, potential clients should be aware of the non-fiduciary nature of its advisors and ensure they fully understand the fee structure informed for those seeking a fiduciary advice with transparency for fee model, exploring alternative features or alternative financial planning service may be beneficial. So if you have further questions or need information on other retirement planning tools, feel free to comment down below.